Good morning, good morning. This is lesson 3 under probability. There's a question here. In a single throw of a fair dice, find the probability that A, an even numbers appears, B, an odd numbers appear, C, a prime numbers appear, D, a perfect square appear, E, 7 appear. Now this is the dice. They say it's single dice. This is the dice. Now let's assume, let's get our sample space. Our sample space has to be, the first face is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 6. In a single throw, all the possible outcomes are 1 to 6. Now, they say we should find the probability that an even numbers appear. Now, the probability that an even numbers may appear, A, probability and even numbers appears will be equal to 2 is an even number, 4 is an even numbers, and 6 is the even numbers. Now we have total numbers of 3, 1, 2, 3, which is 3 over the sample space. The sample space are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total sample space is 6 over 6. Now, therefore, you can divide here by 3, divide here by 3, which is what? 1 over 2. Now, the probability that an even number appear is 1 over 2. B, probability that an odd numbers appear. Probability an odd number appear can be, now our odd numbers are 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd numbers. The probability that an odd number appear is 1, 2, 3. We are having possible 3 over the total sample space, which is 6, which is also 1 over 2. When you divide it 3 in 3, 1, 3 goes in 6 2 times. Then C, probability that the prime numbers appear. A prime number appear will be probability that a prime numbers appear. What are a prime number? A prime number are those numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself. Now, prime numbers are numbers that can be divided by 1 and itself. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime numbers. The probability that the prime numbers appear can also be 1, 2, 3, which is 3 over 6. You can divide here by 3, also divide here by 3. We're going to have 1 over 2. Now, D, probability of getting a perfect square. A perfect square. A perfect square. Now a perfect square here is 1 and what? 4. 1 and 4 are perfect square. Probability of getting a perfect square, 1 is a perfect square, 4 is also a perfect square. Therefore, the probability of getting a perfect square is 1, 2, which is 2 over the possible outcome, which is 6. You can divide here by 2, divide here by 2. We're going to have 1 over 3, 1 over 3. Now, probability of getting a perfect square is 1 over 3. The last one is probability of getting 7. 7 appears. In the possible outcome, in the sample space, we do not have 7. We have a number from 1, from the dice, we have a number from 1 to 6. Therefore, the probability of 7 appear is what? is going to be 0. The answer is 0. The probability that 7 appear is 0. Thank you for the days.